Hey. I feel so awkward vlogging in front of people. Anyway, we are at Kayla's cabin.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
I don't know what that means. But yeah, we got here earlier. It's in Wisconsin, in case you were wondering. You're probably not wondering. But, you know, fun facts. Am I right?
You can't even see me. You're so fucking tall.
It's blurry. No.
These glasses are fake.
Anyway, so yeah, we've basically been watching O2 all day.
And then we got yelled at.
For using...
Apparently, that takes data.
Anyway.
Apparently, we don't have unlimited data.
Yeah.
I'm reminding myself of that guy from Dodgeball. And he's like, why are you? Isn't that convenient for you? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? That guy from Dodgeball? White Goodman? He's like, well, isn't that convenient for you?
Yeah, I don't watch, the only movie I watch is One Direction.
They just don't know you. They just don't know you. They don't know
Beatrice, yes, Beatrice.
Oh my gosh. We gotta light that candle.
We gotta light the candle. Lighting the candle.
I can't do it.
I will do it.
Tell me you break. Should probably switch.
Here, you gotta vlog.
Okay, I'll vlog.
All right.
Hey girl, hey.
What candle am I lighting?
That one over there.
All right, let's go. We must party.
I don't know if I'm in here. Oh, the wrong way.
All right, ready?
Hey, I'm vlogging. Vlogging. The vlog. All right, Caitlin's gonna light this really cool candle, and it lights up, and my blanket fell. Okay. We're working on it. Are you okay?
I'm good.
Are you sure? Are you okay?
Paparazzi.
Are you okay?
Let's light this candle.
Girl, let's do it.
Okay, ready? I got this.
Oh my god. It's gonna light on fire and you're gonna freak out. That's what I do. Whoa! Light the candle, jeez. Did you get it? You got it. See, it changes color.
It burned me.
Oh, you blew it out.
It burns me. I am sorry. It burns. Should I do another one?
God.
It burns me. I'm sorry.
See, this is why you use a lighter instead of matches.
Warm it up down here.
My dad just walked down here.
I'm vlogging like a boss.
Vlogging.
Ready? I'm gonna do it now.
Oh, she's gonna go.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Oh. Get it. Ow!
Why you want me to knock?
Ow!
Hey, I lit it.
Caitlin's.
Ow.
That's fine. I just, when you're not down here.
Okay. We'll blow it out later. Bye.
It burns me.
You're gonna edit that in.
Yeah, bye.
See, look, it changed colors. Watch it. Ooh, purple's my favorite color.
What I know now.
See, it changes.
Somehow.
Isn't that boss? That is just the most amazing candle ever. Stop! You're gonna burn yourself.
I told me. I already did.
Oh.
Beatrice.
I'm like filming your crotch.
What?
It wasn't on purpose. Are you okay?
No.
Are you sure?
Little me.
again?
Guys, look, it's flickering. It was like, oh, you missed it. Gosh darn, Kayla. You're always late on everything.
Fine. We'll just ignore you.
Guys, how severe was that burn? There's nothing there.
I don't even know if I'm getting you. Am I getting you? The real star.
The real star. That penny board, though.
That penny bar doll. Yeah, so that's basically what's happening. We were watching O2L videos, but
Yeah.
like I said, Dita. Girl.
Worth
Let
it.
us watch our O2L videos and be weird. Come on.
And stalk JC's vlog.
yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna jump in some snow. It's ice.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Girl, bye. Bye. Don't come back.
Alright.
I don't know how to,
that's too tiny for me.
I don't know how to turn off your camera. Is it what?
So yeah, we're gonna watch a movie now. Yeah. Our boring weekend so far, you know, it's all good though.
Update is ready to install. Okay. Hey, look at that selfie we took. Look at that. Oh, look at those cuties. Oh, look at them cuties. Oh. Oh my gosh.
We all know the real star in this picture. That blanket though.
That blanket.
Anyway, like I was saying, what movie are we watching again?
The internship
The Internship.
with Vince Vaughn.
Yeah, that guy. I don't know.
Oh!
You broke it.
I broke it.
But anyway, yeah. Inserting the disc.
It's about the guys who give a job at Google, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is it not all the way out? It is. What?
Oh, it's O2L.
Yeah, that's my laptop background.
What do you have to say about that?
My laptop background is 10 bajillion times hotter than your laptop background.
What if it's the same picture?
Mine's still better.
Because it is.
It is, because it's my computer. Actually, it's my brother's, but you know.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna go watch the movie. Bye.
Bye!
Step one, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through.